It's really cold. I just got the computer out of my 92 car. Actually, my buddy Brian, who's painting it, did. Got it home, and it decided to snow because it's 19 degrees outside. But we're about to put the ECU in the car and see what happens. What are you doing, dude? Is it cold? Are you driving? You driving the race car? Show me how you shift it. Get it. Boom, 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 boom. All right, here we go. I'm getting the computer right now. Oh gosh, it's got all those damn things still. Jumper cables on it. Let's see. I just couldn't wait until daylight. I had to see if this thing's gonna run or not. Something, right? Oh, the battery's got any juice. Well, the battery was dead. All right, turn you down. All right, see what happens. Let's see what happens. Man, please start. It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Holy shit! So cold outside in the freaking snow. I am absolutely ecstatic. Oh, so is Lincoln. Me and Lincoln got home from work. It is snowing outside currently. And we just got, don't touch the gas pedal, dude. You like this car?
It's hot.
See if the horn works. Damn, it sounds like a big truck. Okay, watch out, hop out. Lifters are obviously a little dry. Sounds really good. Man, this is such an awesome car. Great oil pressure. Of course, it is cold as hell. Amazing, super happy. I've always wondered if this is gonna work. Hey, it worked. And so all this stuff came with the Z. I'm not real sure. Oh, man, this guy even kept the OEM freaking Bose speakers. Oh, someone would probably want that. OEM Bose radio, HID ballasts, Air freaking OE bolt kit, freaking Win. Holy smokes, that's cool. It's boost controller and a whole bunch of what appears to be OEM oil filters. Freaking jack, freaking pop. With an OEM dust cover for what looks like maybe a rack and pinion. A little sub, a little speaker. I don't know, that's new. What'd you find there, Garrett? Matching red leather jacket with the red interior car. God, it's perfect. How cool is that? This is the first drive of this car for me. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I just ran down the road. I was gonna say, I'm gonna go put some gas in it, but I don't even have my wallet. He told me like all the electronic controlled suspension stuff still works. There's my dad. He's like, what the fuck are you doing? Speedometer works. You know, that's kind of a known thing for these cars. Yeah, turbo's good.
Dude, this is nice.
I'm not gonna hammer it because the gas is old and I know it's probably, you can feel the tires, they have flat spots in it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this car drives like brand new. We're going 80 and I haven't literally went over 20% throttle position.
Man, this red pops like crazy.
It makes me want to keep this car. Like, I'll never find another one in this condition.
No. So, is this also the only year model?
For my holy seats feel like amazing. For my research, they made 2700-ish in 91, white on red, and then they made like 170 in 90. I'm sorry, 1990 they made 2700-ish on this color combo, and then in 91, I'm guessing they had some red interior left. They made like 170, and that's it.
So, did that also include the red Z badge on the front?
No, to my factory 91 cars, I believe, had a little sticker decal thing that just said Nissan. It didn't say like Z. I'm not 100% up on all the Z stuff yet, but someone pointed this out. I'm guessing this had came off and it's been re-glued. They said the Z is backwards, and you can kind of tell that.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Yeah. Like, dude, this car's... I'm gonna give it a little bit of a roll over just to see. It's there. It wants to go.
Oh, it feels good.
It feels great. Amazing. I was talking to Ben yesterday about it. I go, how do we tune this thing? I was like, I put the ECU from the gray car in it. We know it's pretty similar mods, but there's no way to like plug in and adjust. He's like, well, put it on the dyno. We'll put a wideband on it, and we keep upping the boost until it leans out. I like it. Dude, this thing. Oh my God, this car is nice. This is cool as hell. I love buying this era of cars and them having gremlins or problems and then fixing them and bringing them back to life. How freaking cool. It's got plenty of power.
This thing is healthy.
The training shifts like a brand new car, man. This car's special. It's a nicer car than that gray one. That gray one's nice, but this one's like 9 of 10 nice.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious, this car is cool. Maybe smoking a little bit.
Well, it's probably hotter than it's been in a while.
Of course, it looks like it's coming from the rear turbo. Somewhere.
There's tracks on here.
Do what?
There tracks.
Tracks. Like a desert?
Those are tracks. You got some going on.
No, I mean, the car hadn't been driven in a long time, so it could be residual burning off the manifold, which is highly likely because he redid this whole motor and put it all together, put everything together, and then the computer went out of it. God, it runs amazing.
I think so.
Man, this car is freaking amazing. What a freaking snag on this one. Popped the computer in, runs and drives. It's making right at 15 pounds of boost on pump gas. Bigger turbos, full exhaust downpipes, clutch, fuel injectors. It is just freaking cherry, man. Man, this takes me back. So first time getting this thing up in the air, and it is absolutely freaking minty. I mean, there's not any rust, not even corrosion spots on this thing. The pinch welds are impeccable. I mean, this car, it does have an oil leak. When I bought it, we got it running. I found that the passenger side turbo feed line, I think, is leaking. But my goodness gracious, this thing is immaculate.